What's up, everybody? As promised, I'm back with another video. This one will be shorter because I'm just gonna do some sanding in the bathroom on the drywall. It's really easy to do for me. Mike showed me how. It's not gonna be that difficult, so I'm going to put the mask on. Oops, drop the sander. Alright, now I gotta find it. Where'd it go? Whoops, sorry guys. Shit. Shoot. I felt it hit my foot and then it bounced. Of course. There it is. Alright. The cool thing about this, it feels like a mouse for a computer. And it's got little grooves for your fingers. Very, very tactile friendly. Put that back in here for now, because he's got bags for all his tools. Let the innuendos commence, ladies and gentlemen. Tools. Put the phone down for a sec so I can put my mask on. This is a mask he uses, and it's he says it's like a ninja mask, like Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat. Well, I mean, Sub-Zero's alright, but I prefer Katana, because she also wears blue. So we just do this. Goes on like that. And that goes over the top. This goes around back. And these are, it's a really easy mask to put on. It's just, it's a couple of Velcro straps, and you're good to go. Actually, I'm trying to cinch it up a little bit so it's a little bit tight. Not tight, but secure on my face. Making sure everything is in place and all of that. There we go. Good. Comfy. Alright, now you guys can't see me. Oh no. Yeah, right. In we get. Go over this way. And you're probably like, why aren't you using your cane? Because I don't need to in my own home. Or my boyfriend's home. Or whatever. It's a familiarity thing. So, we're in the bathroom now. And I am going to close the door. Because, and I can tell the lights are on in here. I'm going to double check. Oh, actually, I need to turn the fan on too. Oh, shoot. Okay, we're good. So this is just the light switches and things on, I think. Oh, there we go. And then and the bottom one is the longest setting. And that's just to get the dust out, because there's going to be dust. So, basically, we're looking right now at the walls. And it's just drywall, which is, for those that are sort of construction illiterate like me, this is the stuff that walls are made of, basically. This is where walls come from. And it's like this board. I don't remember what it's made of, but it's got paper, and sometimes there are rough patches, like right here is really rough. See, you can see it, and I can feel that. We don't want that because it's going to be painted, so it has to be nice and smooth. So here's what we're going to do. feel that rough spot. Switch hands. Oh. Sorry for the boob shot. Oh, maybe some of you will like that. I don't know. Anyways. And we go over here to the rough patch. And we just do this. Just like that. Just small circles. And we just do a little bit and then see it smooth out. And I'm just touching to feel it, make sure it's smooth. And right over here, we're gonna go do the same thing. Let's try to get it as smooth as we can. So it's easy when the paint goes on. And basically, that's what we're doing here. Is getting rid of all that crap on the wall. It doesn't need to be there. And he even, actually what he really wanted was the ceiling. So like up here, it's really rough. So we're just gonna do like this. Circular motion. I can get it, but it's a little bit hard because it's a little bit of a stretch because I'm kind of short. But yeah, we're just gonna, let's look for some more. I should close the lid. Didn't even think about that. Don't want dust in there, but let's see if there's any more rough spots. Yeah, right here is not very nice. Just make it nice. Ah, that's better. And now he also told me he's going to go over it more. Because there's parts here that are, you call them low spots. And he says he can go and fix some of that on his own. I did a bit of this yesterday. Right up here, let's get. He said to try to do as much of a circular motion as possible. That way, because if you do a straight line up and down, that shows up, or it could show up, in the wall, basically, after it gets finalized. So I'm gonna finish this, work on it some more. Yeah, that's how you sand a wall. Let me close that back up. So yeah, that's basically that. And like I said, I'm gonna be implementing some of that stuff when I start building my altar, which is very exciting. I can't wait to get started on that. I have to decide the piece of wood that is going to allow me to work with it. It's a matter of permission from the wood and all of that. You know, I want this to be as perfect as I possibly can make it, and as much mine as I possibly can make it. And hopefully, she'll allow me to use what I need to make it perfect for her. Blessed be, everybody.